What's up, girl?
Are you doing it now?
Yes, we are.
All right, here we go.
What's going on here today? Tell me.
Well, I got this thing out of my grill.
Yeah.
And we're about to go in a plane.
All right.
And we are about to jump out the plane.
Are you crazy?
We're crazy.
I know you are.
Crazy cats.
Let me see your hands. Oh, that's why you're all shaking.
I'm Zen.
Who's that girl?
This is my beautiful lover.
All right.
Happy birthday, Abby.
Okay, happy birthday. Is that 18?
Come on now.
20?
What?
21?
23. Come
23. All right, great. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Scared?
I will be in a second, but right now I feel great.
All right, excited, huh? Any last words to say?
Au revoir.
Let's go have fun. Let's go.
And I discovered that my castle stand upon pillars of salt and pillars of sand. I hear Jerusalem bells are ringing, Roman cavalry choirs are singing. Be my mirror, my sword and shield, my missionaries in a foreign field. For some reason I can't explain, once you've gone it was never an honest word. That was when I ruled the world. It was the wicked and wild wind, blew down the doors to let me in, shattered windows and the sound of drums.
We're halfway there, girl. We halfway? Yeah.
Yes, we do. How you feeling? Feeling great, huh? Yeah. What you see out there? Tell me. It's pretty, huh? All right. Ready for this? Are you ready? All right. You have no choice.
Traffic is stuck and you're not moving anywhere. You thought you found a friend to take you out of this place, someone you could lend a hand in return for grace. It's a beautiful day. Sky falls, you feel like it's a beautiful day. Love is down, even if that doesn't ring true. You've been all over, and it's been all over you. It's a beautiful day. Don't let it get away. It's a beautiful day. You don't have you was catching a tease.
We made it back. What do you
Nice
think?
landing. Holy shit.
Did you like it?
That was amazing. Everyone has to do this.
All right. Let's do it again. Thank you.